Hi, my name is Ashwini and I am the founder of Softrix. Softrix has successfully provided employment to over 70 plus individuals in Nadan, Himachal Pradesh. We are proud to announce that Softrix has now established a new office in Hamirpur with the capacity to accommodate 100 employees. So what inspired us to open office in Hamirpur? We hiring for our Mohali office. We noticed a significant number of applicants coming from Hamirpur, Sarkaghat, Bilaspur, Sajanpur and Jahu. Interestingly, nearly 80% of these candidates were not only experienced but also highly skilled. That's when we realized many talented individuals from the region are living away from their families just to pursue job opportunities. We thought, why not bring those opportunities closer to home? And with that, the idea of opening a 5,000 square feet office in Hamirpur was born. We are now offering roles for experienced professionals and freshers. If you are someone who is missing home cooked food, family time and the peaceful environment of your hometown, this is your chance. Softrix Hamirpur is hiring. There are also a financial benefit to work locally. In Metro City, everything's come at higher cost, right from grocery to rent. But here in Hamirpur, we are surrounded by fresh, organic produce and a healthy lifestyle. We hire. Here are the exciting career opportunity currently available with Softrix: AI developer, Laravel developer, full stack developers, business development, SEO executive and team leads, YouTube manager, HR executives, bidders, PPC executive and managers, HR talent execution specialist and product engineer for a web-based application. If you are passionate, skilled and ready to be the part of growing tech-driven company, this is your opportunity. Apply now and join us in building the future for Himachal. Now let's talk about something bigger. India plays in the tech world. As a country, India is doing exceptionally well in service export. However, we are still far behind when it comes to building a global tech products like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. Even our biggest IT firms, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra are prominently service-based companies. Did you know India spends only 0.64% of its GDP on research and development? In contrast, one of our neighboring countries invests 2.68% of its GDP in R&D. This is a huge gap and it's holding us back. If you have a great product idea and need to support or guidance, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. We are always open to collaboration that push innovation forward. At Softrix, we strongly believe in the potential of Himachali talent, and if nurtured in the right way, the people of Himachali can transform the region into the Thrive IT hub just like Mohali or Chandigarh. Himachal is already known for its breathing natural beauty, vibrant culture and tourism. It's time we also make it known for its technology and innovation. With the right leadership and the energy of our youth, we can turn this dream into reality. Let's build the future right here in Himachal. Thank you.